Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to vote during a challenge on Hilomarket. First, markets that are in validation may have proposals that are being challenged. During the voting window, users can cast their vote for the option they believe is correct, or choose to postpone the market. In this example, we're voting for no as the winning option. If the majority votes no and no further challenges occur, the market will be settled as no, and you can claim your rewards directly from this page or from the dashboard. You can also check the market's history to review all past events for that market. Now, if you believe a proposal is too early, you can vote to postpone. To do this, click Vote. Select Postpone. And confirm your vote. Wait for the voting window to close. If the majority also selects Postpone, the validation will be postponed and the market will return to the prediction phase to be validated by users when the time is right. You can then claim your rewards for correctly voting to postpone a validation. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.